Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to create your own personalized avatar on Snapchat? Today, I'll show you how to make and customize your Bitmoji step by step. Step 1. Open Snapchat Profile. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This is where you can access your avatar settings. Step 2. Start creating Bitmoji. Tap Create My Avatar to begin. Choose your gender option to start customizing. Step 3. Use Selfie or Skip. Take a selfie to match your facial features automatically, or tap Skip to design your Bitmoji manually. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Customize your avatar. Adjust skin tone, hair, face shape, outfits, and accessories. Explore each category to fully personalize your Bitmoji. Step 5. Save your Bitmoji. Tap Save in the top right corner once you're done. Your Bitmoji will now appear on your Snapchat profile. Step 6. Edit Profile. Tap your avatar to choose a pose and background style. You can also set a Bitmoji selfie as your profile icon. Step 7. Use Bitmoji stickers. Open chats and access Bitmoji stickers while sending snaps. Use them to add personality to your messages and stories. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use your own Bitmoji on Snapchat. Make your profile more fun and expressive with a custom avatar. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart step-by-step tech tutorials every day.